Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss lead code problem 501, find mode in binary search tree. So given root of a binary search tree with duplicates, return all the modes, that is most frequently occurred element in it. So if tree has more than one mode, return them in any order. So it's like a binary search tree they have given us. So binary search tree property is all the nodes on the left side are smaller than the root, and all the nodes on the right side are greater than the bigger than the roots. So I actually just will want to go directly to the implementation. So we have been asked to find the mode which is the most frequently occurring element in the binary search tree, which means that we have to traverse the complete binary search tree and we have to gather all the elements. So what I am doing here is I am going to capture all the elements into a hash map first. So here is the first I am going to traverse the binary search tree, the complete binary search tree, and I am going to gather the elements into a map along with their frequency. And then I am going to, once that is done, then I am going to use a priority queue, and based on the frequency of all the elements, like in a decreasing order, so most frequent element will be on the top in priority queue. So I created a small class called as element which holds value and frequency. um, and I am going to actually, here I am going to insert all the elements into the priority queue based on their value and frequency that we have into the map. So later when we are polling the queue, we will get the most frequent element first. So here I'm going to poll the first element from the queue, and I will be getting the most frequent element, and I will add that element into a list. So in case of multiple elements with the same frequency, we have to actually loop through the priority queue to find out all the other elements which are having the same frequency as our topmost maximum elements. So that's what this while loop is doing. So we will loop through the priority queue and get the elements. So as long as their frequency is same as our first element, which is the highest element, we will keep adding that element into the list. Otherwise we will just break out from the loop. And here I'm just converting the list into the array and returning the array. So for example, I took three test cases here. So one of them we can just discuss a little bit more detail. So let me just enable tree visualizer. So as you can see in the third, here all the elements are with a one frequency. So we need to output uh, all these elements. In the first here we have two happening most frequently, which is two times. So we will output two here. And for this tree we will output 1 because 1 is appearing 3 times. So let's give it a quick run for these test cases. Okay, so as you can see, then 2 is for the first one, 1 is for the second one, and the third one we will have all the elements because all the elements are occurring once. So let me just do a submit for this solution. Yeah, so the solution is accepted. So finding a mode in a binary search tree, we can just easily do it using a map and a priority queue approach. So I hope you enjoyed this solution. If you like this solution, hit subscribe button to my channel and give a like for the video. Thank you.